Welcome back, guys, to another G35 video. What are we installing today, Thomas?
That.
What is it?
It goes.
In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and install a cold air intake. So this cold air intake is from Jim Wolf, and it's like $100, so it's a pretty good price for what you're getting. You're getting the pod filter, you're getting a heat shield. A lot of them don't come with a heat shield, so this is nice to have. This heat shield mounts up to this existing intake piece, and we're just gonna have to get rid of the box, and it bolts up to everything. It's a really nice kit. It has a velocity stack as well, so we're gonna get some good horse per gains.
I'm all better for the kids.
Is this the guy?
Oh shit.
Master Tech Mike, what are you doing?
I'm doing some exhaust mods, man. Making more power, baby.
Is that Italian?
That is. It's made of spaghetti sauce. It's Truxiones.
Grazie.
I haven't said that. I don't know.
Are the instructions in English?
Half of them.
If you guys want to hear it, you can hear it on his Instagram.
Like, yeah, Master Tech Mike.
Master Tech Mike. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and remove this box. There's four 10 mils that you need to remove, and then this whole thing just comes off, and then we can go ahead and install everything else onto this. So this cold air intake claims that it can give 6 to 7 real wheel horsepower, but we also do have the plenum spacer, so it should help a little more because we do have restricted airflow coming into the intake.
That.
All the airflow.
Scotty Kilmer and Chris Fick said this is how you're supposed to do it.
Another cool thing about the intake is it does have a carb sticker, so you can take it to your smog and you won't get questioned. You'll be able to pass your visual inspection on your smog if you do have this kit. It's pretty cool because you know, you don't have to take all this apart and put the stock air box just so that you can pass smog. It has a carb sticker, so it's cool that you can use it and just pass smog with it. So I did put some edge trim all around just so that it looks a little nicer and it protects some of the pieces from not getting scratched up from the metal. So this uses factory intake piece and it works all together, so it goes ahead and the air travels in through there, and you'll have the pod filter right there. Uses a factory piece, which is always nice. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the pod filter and see how it looks. The install is all complete. We're gonna go ahead now and take it for a drive. This doesn't move at all, really. This has its own anchor point. I'm not paying you, Thomas.
Aww.
We're gonna go ahead and give this a test drive, see if we hear any difference in sound. This should give a lot more sound comparison to the factory airbox. So this is gonna unlock a lot of that restriction we had from the factory airbox and hopefully feel a difference, but we'll find out. I think the top end you can feel it a little more, because before it would rise up to like around 5,000. It just starts falling off and you can feel it just slow down, but you're still like, you're picking up pace but you're still slowing down. It's not crazy difference, but it's like, instead of it dipping down, I feel like it just kind of levels out. That's gonna be it for this video. It did make a little bit of a difference on the top end. It just doesn't dip. It just feels better on higher RPMs than before. You do get a little more noise than before as well, which I always like because it just sounds way cooler. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave it a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new around here. We're gonna have plenty of G35 content. We have plenty of G35 content if you wanna go and check out our videos as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.